I truly believe there's one overriding reason that anyone who's driven to create the life that they always wanted should build their own online business. You see, so many talented and motivated people are wasting their time building the dreams of others, whilst those same businesses are right now speeding up plans to replace people with automation. As individuals, we're discovering just how broken the old system really is for the majority of society. There has never been a more important time to step up and build your own business using that same automation to create the life you want. And millions of individuals across the planet have already woken up and are changing the system, taking control of their future by choosing to put an end to their reliance on their current job or occupation, by setting up their own online businesses to become fully self-reliant and independent of others. And let's face it, there has never been a better time to begin to build your own online business. That realization was a moment in time that changed everything. Anything that can be automated will be automated. Even as I hear those words now, I can feel it again. I was a freelance training consultant, still am, and had been running my business for almost 20 years when I finally realized it had been happening in my industry for years. The need for people like me was getting less. For a while, I tried to suppress the implications, but when you bury an emotion, you bury it alive and they just keep coming back. Either I could wait for the inevitable or find a way out. What would you do? I realized I couldn't wait, and it was that realization and a video workshop that started my journey to build an online business. The video workshop I mentioned is the same video series which you can get hold of today. I had pretty much closed the door and accepted that technology was passing me by, thinking the internet was for youngsters, and I couldn't have been more wrong. Watching the videos shined a light that explained step by step how I could build my own online business. But it wasn't how simple the steps were that shifted the senses and released the energy inside. It was the surging of ideas and the countless possibilities that I saw whilst watching. Ideas and opportunities opening up for people like you and me, ordinary people who are willing to work hard and commit to creating a life of their own. But don't take my word for it, see it for yourself. A life where your success and direction is yours to decide, knowing each was a step forward and each is a step you choose, because the next step is the key. By the time I'd been through the workshop, I knew what I was going to do. I had lost something along the way and wanted it back. For me, the videos were the torch to finding a sense of purpose that would excite me and give me back my drive. Isn't it about creating a life where we've choice and independence and can decide what direction we go? And conquering that misguided feeling that technology was passing us by and then putting it to work to create something exciting for us. And most importantly, isn't it about taking control and building security to create the life we always wanted? Now, the trainers and the mentors in the team had already achieved what I wanted to achieve. They were already leading the life I wanted, and they explained things in a language I could understand. They'd been there and done it for others already, and when I saw the raft of support from their community of online business owners, I realised I'd be far from doing it on my own. I thought, if I'm not doubting them and the value they provide, then it's really down to me. And if you're truly committed to the process and you're ready to grow and willing to keep going no matter how long it takes to create the life you want, then success is the only possible outcome. But you'll see the options and possibilities for yourself before deciding whether this is right for you. And you can by watching the free workshop series. If you believe in a place where everyone has a value and deserves a sense of purpose, and you want to harness the power of the internet so you can do it too, then watch the videos. But before clicking on the link, be sure that you're willing to accept responsibility for the success of your business, because that will be up to you. To request the free workshop series, just enter your name and email address in my website and I'll send the videos over myself. I hope they ignite you in the same way they did me, so that you're fired up to create the changes in your life that you always wanted. And I'll see you on the other side.